Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay, so we'll have a discussion on trigonometry next part. Okay. Question is, if cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5 and x lies in third quadrant, find the value of other trigonometric functions. Find the value of other trigonometric functions. It is very easy questions. Okay, I will solve 2 to 3 questions. Then remaining questions I will give for your work. Okay, guys. Done. I hope all the previous trigonometry concepts you are watching correct. Don't cheat yourself, guys. All of you are following, going through that correct. Okay. So how do you find all these values? Either you can use SLC method, but if you use SLC method, be careful about this. X lies in third quadrant. ಮೂರನೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So cos x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. You can draw the right triangle. SLC method you can follow, no problem. Okay. But we have a sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From this, I can write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Sin x is equal to actually plus or minus you will get 1 minus cos square x you will get, isn't it? So therefore sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus, so this is minus 3 by 5 whole square, isn't it? So therefore sin x is equal to plus or minus under root 1 minus 9 divided by 25, correct? So therefore sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of, see this, 25 minus 9 divided by 25, 16 divided by 25. Sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 by 5. But for the single cos x value, there should be single sin x value. He has given x lies in the third quadrant. X lies in the third quadrant, ASTC. See, ASTC ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಉಂಟು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ, I don't remember what is the number ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1 2 3 ಏನೋ ಉಂಟು, ಹೆಸರೇನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. You please go through previous videos. I'm saying the word please just because you have to understand. If you understand, I'm happy, guys. Is it okay? ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಚಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಆಯ್ತಾ. x lies in third quadrant. In this quadrant only tan and cot are positive, sin x is negative. So therefore sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5, isn't it? Correct. Then go for cosecant x. Cosecant x will be reverse of this, minus 5 by 4. Then secant x will be reverse of this, minus 5 by 3. Tan x will be, tan x is nothing but sin x divided by cos x. See, tan x value positive you have to get, correct? Because x lies in third quadrant. Sin x is minus 4 by 5. This is minus 3 by 5. 5 by cancel. So answer is 4 by 3. Isn't it? Then similarly go for cot x. Cot x is equal to cos x divided by sin x. So therefore cot x is equal to, what is cos x? Cos x is minus 3 by 5 divided by, what is sin x? Minus 4 by 5. 5 by cancel. So 3 by 4 is the answer. All the 5 trigonometric functions we got. Isn't it, guys? Okay? Done. Next question. If cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12, x lies in second quadrant, find the value of other trigonometric function. Find the value of other trigonometric function. Find the value of other trigonometric function, correct? Solution for this. All of your understanding, guys, is it clear? All of your understanding very easily? Okay, very nice. Good. Cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12. Okay, since he has given x lies in the second quadrant, x lies in the second quadrant, correct? Second quadrant, cot and tan are negative. This is tan x. Tan x will be minus 12 by 5. Tan x is minus 12 by 5, correct? So 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x, correct? So from this, secant square x will be 1 plus 12 divided by 5 whole square. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus, this is 144 divided by 25. Secant square x is equal to 169 divided by 25. Secant x is equal to plus or minus 13 divided by 5. X lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮನೆ second quadrant A S T C. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಮತ್ತೆ cosecant. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವನೆ. Again I tell you, be perfect in this. Be punter in this. Be punter in this. It is there in my previous videos. I have explained very clearly. Please go through that. Please go through that, okay? You will enjoy. Otherwise, no. Isn't it? Okay. Second x is equal to plus 13 divided by 5. X lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive. So second x is negative. Minus 13 divided by 5. Isn't it? So we got tan x. We got secant x. Then cos x will be minus 5 by 13. Cos x will be minus 5 by 13, correct? Okay. Then from this, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We want to get sin square x 1 minus cos square x, which is equal to 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square, correct? So sin square x is equal to 1 minus 25 divided by 169. 169 minus 25 divided by 169. 144 divided by 169. This is sin square x. So sin x is equal to plus or minus 12 divided by 13. Which sign you will consider for this? X lies in the second quadrant. Second yaar mane? Sin x mane? Sin x is equal to plus 12 divided by 13 is the answer. Is it okay? Then from this, cosecant is 13 divided by 12, because reverse of that. All these 6 trigonometry functions we got. Isn't it, guys? All of your understanding? Any problem regarding this? All of your understanding, I hope so, correct? Is it okay? Okay. Next question. Find the value of sin 31 pi divided by 3. Find the value of sin 31 pi divided by 3. Find the value of sin 31 pi divided by 3. Again I repeat. Find the value of sin 31 pi by 3. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ sin 31 pi by 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 31 pi by 3. 31 ಸತಿಗೆ 31 ಸತಿಗೆ pi by 3. 31 ಟೈಮ್ pi by 3. 31 ಟೈಮ್ pi by 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 31 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ pi by 3 ಅಲ್ಲ sin. ಈಗ 31 ಅನ್ನ 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ? 31 pi by 3 ಅನ್ನ 30 pi by 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 pi by 3 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? 31 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ 30 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. 31 pi by 3 ಅನ್ನ 30 pi by 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 pi by 3. Is it okay? Then 3 ones are 3 tens are. So this is 10 pi plus pi by 3, correct? 10 pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ? 10 pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. This is 1 pi. This is 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi. Correct? 10 pi plus something. First quadrant. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Is it okay? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, all trigonometry A S T C. Is it okay guys? So sin pi by 3 ನೇ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? 10 pi ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ pi by 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 390. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂಗಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೈನ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು 360 ಅಲ್ಲ, 360 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು 390 ಕೂಡ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 390 ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ 1/2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Is it okay? Logically you can get, right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 180 divided by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 60. Sin 60 will be √3/2 is the answer. Is it okay? Done. Next question. Find the value of cos of minus 1710 degree. Find the value of cos of minus 1710 degree. Okay, 1710 degree. 1710 degree. 1710 degree. See, even odd nature ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ. When the front number of 90 is even, ನೀವು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. When the front number of 90 is even, same trigonometry functions you will get. When the front number of 90 is odd, trigonometry functions will changes. Sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, second to cosecant, cosecant to secant. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಹಂಗ ನಾ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 1800 ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಬರೀಲ್ಲ, 1800 ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತಾ? ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತಾ? ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲಿತ್ರಿ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? And the secant of minus theta is nothing but plus secant theta. Remaining all the trigonometry functions are negative you will get. Isn't it? See, ನಾ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Many students are enjoying this, but many students are facing still difficulties just because ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ, be perfect and come to me. One day you come to me, we'll have a discussion on doubts. Is it okay? Right. But ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ never give up. Cos of minus theta is nothing but cos of 1710 degree. Is it okay? Then that means 1800 minus 90 I can write, which is equal to cos of, see this is 1800, correct? 1800, right? Even number into 90. 1800 in the sense even number into 90. Do you agree? Even in the sense cos only. Then this is theta. Okay, whatever may be plus or minus, cos 90 will be 0 only. Cos 90 is 0, no need to check plus or minus. Is it okay guys? Is it okay? That. Exercise 3.2, okay? Cos x is equal to minus 1/2. X lies in third quadrant. Sin x is equal to 3/5. x lies in second quadrant. Cot x is equal to 3/4. X lies in third quadrant. Fourth one, second x is equal to 13/5. X lies in fourth quadrant. Fifth one, tan x is equal to -5/12. X lies in second quadrant. Correct? So this is the homework problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are homework problem, right? You have to solve and you have to submit. Today evening you have to submit. Is it okay? Today evening you have to submit, right? Okay. Next question. Sin 765 degree. Second question. Cosecant of -1410 degree. Third one. Tan of 19π/3. Fourth one. Sin of -11π/3. So fifth one. Cot of -15π/4. Okay, sum and difference of two angles. So next concept is very important concept. So that will take up in next class. We'll have a look on this. Sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. That is very important concept. Okay. Sin 765 degree. Sin 765 degree. Right. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ 765 765 ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿ so that number should be written in terms of 90. How that is? So sin of 720 -45 I can write, right? So that this 720 written in the form of 8 minus 45, correct? 90 into 8, 720 will get 90. Front number is even number. ಈಗ mind ಅಲ್ಲಿ logical ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Even number in the sense sin theta only will get. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? All of you are understanding? Yes or no, guys? Comment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no? If you say no also no problem. So I will get more energy to explain you. If you get yes, if you say yes also, I will get more energy. Okay, no problem. If you don't understand, honest answer ಹೇಳಿ. Sin 45. Okay. Complete ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 720 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 360 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 0. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು 360. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ 360. 720 ಅಲ್ಲ, 720 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ. 720 ಮೈನಸ್ something. 720 ಮೈನಸ್ something. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು a, ಇದು s, ಇದು t, ಇದು c, correct? Since it is cos, since it is sin, it is minus. So which is equal to -1/√2 is the answer. Is it okay? Done. Next, cosecant of -1410 degree. Cosecant of -1410 degree. See, make an habit of when there is a degree, tale ಮೇಲೆ 0. When there is a radian, he will not give c. Okay, it is understood. Previous video ಕೂಡ ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದೆ, correct? Radian ಅಲ್ಲ, radian ಅನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ c ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It's understood that when there is a single real number, it is a radian. Okay, guys? Okay, yes or no? Done. Energy. Okay. Cosecant of minus theta. Minus cosecant theta. Minus of 1410 degree. So which is equal to minus of cosecant 1410. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 720 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 0 4 1440 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1440 ಮೈನಸ್ 30 I can write. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? Done. So which is equal to minus cosecant of, correct? Minus cosecant of, see this, 1440 1440 ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? 720ಕ್ಕೆ 362 ಸತಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 720 1440ರಲ್ಲಿ 722 ಉಂಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 4 into 360 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? All of you are getting right. So whatever may be the number, even number into 90 it is correct. Minus 30 degree. Is it okay? Because it is even, all of you are understanding with clear picture. With clear picture, any problem? With clear picture, all of you are understanding? Okay. Because it is even, minus cosecant, then this is 30 degree, correct? Understanding? Perfect idea? Perfect idea? Any problem? No problem, correct? Okay. 1440 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು 360, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದು 720, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1440 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 1440 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ cosecant. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. cosecant 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 30 ದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ. sin 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1/2. cosecant 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 is the answer. ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? ಆರಾಮಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ನೀವೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ tan 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3 ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? tan of 18 pi by 3 plus 1 pi by 3 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? So easily, which is equal to tan of how much it is? 3 6 pi plus pi by 3. Is it okay? 6 pi, even number 90. This is tan only. Is it okay? 6 pi ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi plus something. First quadrant tan is positive, plus it is pi by 3, which is equal to tan pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin pi by 3 divided by cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 in the sense 60 degree. Correct? So answer is √3. So easy. ಭಾಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿತದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಭಾಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಜಾರಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Then sin of minus 11 pi by 3. Sin of these two I will not solve, just I will give you what idea for this. You please solve. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಜಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಬೇಜಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. sin minus 11 pi by 3 ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ this can be written as minus sin 11 pi by 3. Can I write? Correct. Sin of minus sin theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin of 11 pi by 3 and 10 pi by 3 plus 10 pi by 3 plus 1 pi by 3. Can I write? Okay. Or else ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 9 Okay, do one thing. This is 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೂರು ಮೂರಲೆ 9 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 11 ಪೈ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಡನ್. 3 ಪೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3 ಪೈ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಪೈ, 2 ಪೈ, this is 3 pi. 3 pi plus something. Here you will get in this AST this is tan mane minus already unta. This is minus of sin 2 pi by 3. Minus into minus plus sin 2 pi by 3, correct? For understanding purpose. Logically odi 2 pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 into 180 divided by 3, correct? Is it okay? 3 ones are 3 6 are, so 120 is the answer, correct? Actually 120 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? In terms of ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 120 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Sin of 180 minus 60 I can write. Again 180 is 2 into 90. 2 is even number. Even in the sense sin only will get. Then this is 60 degree. 180 minus theta, where? 180 minus theta, this is S man, this is S, sorry, this is S plus, correct? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Check the answer, or this is root 3 by 2. So easy guys, so easy, right? You please solve this. Solve and discuss with me, we'll have a discussion. Even though I taken entire videos in small, but there are 1.5 hours, 1.5 ತಾಸಿನ concept I have completed in this half an hour, okay? Right? Be perfect in this, get all the concepts, understand and write one more time. Any problem while showing notes, when you come to college to show the notes, at that time you please discuss, we'll have a discussion. Okay guys? Okay, thank you so much. Have a super duper day. Thank you.